Well, it was a beautiful day in Bakersfield today. We actually had someone send in a picture of a sunset out at Edwards Air Force Base. Just so you can see those beautiful pink skies. And it's still pretty nice right now. A little bit chilly in Bakersfield, 47 degrees, but we actually topped off at 60, which is above average. Temperatures are going to continue to increase as we head into later this week, but we're looking at 40s across the valley, but cooling down in our mountains. 30 in Pine Mountain Club right now, 34 in Fraser Park, and 28 in Tehachapi. But high pressure is taking over the region Tuesday and into Wednesday, so we're keeping those stable, dry conditions and that warming trend. So we're looking at 60 as a high tomorrow in Bakersfield, 67 with that chance of fog early Wednesday, but then we do have rain and the possibility of snow in our mountain communities dropping down to 50 degrees. I have more details.